Question of the day. How do you get the free domain when you're building a website on WordPress.com? I'm going to start at the basic dashboard, which is WordPress.com/sites. Gives you the list of all of your sites. Coming to the button on the top right, add new site, select WordPress.com. Then you type your domain, in which case I'm going to say in progress. Let's wait to see what populates. So what you're really looking for is the domain that says WordPress.com. This is the one that's going to be free. That's the one that you will select. So my new domain is going to be in progress 9. If I don't want the number 9, I can try to add some variation to my domain. So let's say in progress 2025. That's absolutely free. So now my new domain is going to be in progress 2025.wordpress.com. Select free. Continue. We're going for the free plan. So start with free. We can skip to the dashboard. And you have your quick links to do things on the right. We can come to the site title at the top, visit site, and then we can see our new website in progress 2025.wordpress.com. And there you have it.